Today we shall make some creamy garlic chili chicken. For that we have to take fresh red chili, onions, spring onions, the yellow capsicum. Now for the sauce seasoning, use cumin, aromat, salt, vinegar, sugar, red chili, ketchup. Keep aside. Take some 60 ml of cream and keep it aside. Now marinate the chicken. Add egg, oil, white pepper, salt, aromat. Take a wok. Add oil. Add ginger, garlic. Add the chicken. Add the vegetables. Let it sweat. Allow it to cook. Put some stock. About approximately 1 ladle of stock. Now take the seasoning that you made earlier, add to the sauce, add the cream, put some corn flour to thicken, adjust the consistency, add a hint of chili oil, and remove, place on a platter, ready to serve. Look at the color. That's the color we need. Garnish with spring onions. There we go. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment and tell me how did you like